James here, and today we're taking a look at this very cool little thing. This is called the Airbrick Smart Register Booster Fan. Now, what does that mean is this is like an external addition. So maybe you have a fan vent or area in your house that may not be getting all that airflow that you'd expect from that last far run. You'll add this to that, and with this fan system will actually help push that air through there for you, and that's actually kind of cool. Now, this works in a few different ways, but is actually elegant in size, or elegant in looks and size. This is actually 4 inches, 4 inches this way by 10 inches. So it should work with most standard air vents throughout most people's places or apartments. Unfortunately, my house does not have air vents, so I can't actually put it in one to show you guys that, but it's kind of cool. It does have a digital display. You guys can work all the buttons right off of this if you need, or it does come with our remote control right here, guys. The remote control is really convenient and very cool. Also comes with the 2 screws to mount this if you need, and a wire tie. You're going to get the user manual. User manual might be handy for some of you. And then, of course, you have the power cord to that. Now, the cool thing about this device is the power cord is swappable. So you can swap it from either side. You'll literally just pop the screws off back here, and you'll turn it around, and that's all there is to that cabling, so you can actually swap it and hide it. Now, this is kind of cool because it's going to push a good amount of air at low volumes, but you can max that out and, guys, go at a higher volume with a higher rate of airflow if you want. Now, this is, of course, an aluminum grill. The aluminum grill is a 3-way design, so you have the slots in 3 different directions to help blow that air in every direction with that. Kind of cool, kind of awesome. Now, this is going to blend in with a lot of interiors. A lot of people have like white walls in certain areas for that, for these vents. But I'm sure, guys, if you really needed to, you could probably dismantle this top plate, paint it to a color you need. Just be cautious with that on hand. Now, some cool parts is this is going to work with most air vent registers holes, 4 inches by 10 inches with that. It's about 4 inches deep, so the thickness is about 4 inches right there, guys, right? It does have the 2 fans on the back. Those 2 fans are actually nice, powerful fans with that. Now, they say about 17 dB of sound with this, unless you go on max with this. These are dual bearing style fans with it, of course. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plug this in, and we're going to show you guys this, of course, lit up. And I actually have a little power station here. I'm going to run it off of my Jackery power station just to show you guys this. So we're going to do that. We're going to pop it up. We're going to do that. Right there, we have this, guys. If you hit the power button, you guys will see that it's going to light up. It's going to show you guys that. Now, it is spinning. I don't know if you guys can hear that while I'm talking, but it is actually spinning a good amount of air with that. Now, you have multiple settings. You have your standard setting. You have your heat mode. You can go over into what's called the AC mode. So you can actually adjust the temperature of the AC or your fan speed. The fan speed, guys, you can just adjust up and down. Now it is down to 6, and it's actually whisper quiet. You guys can go all the way down to 0 where it is actually off, or back to 10. I like 10. 10 is blowing a lot of air, and I mean, it is really blowing a good amount of air. You guys can see right here that it's not letting that plastic stay there. It's a max good flow for that. Now, I can actually show you guys the back. If I put it on the back, you'll see that it'll hold that to that, no problem on hand. This is a cool piece to add on if you guys need from Airbrick. Their Smart Register Vent Extension. Cool little piece. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great one.